Hello parents, and welcome to our virtual open house. I'm Mr. Wheeler, and I teach English, literature, and multimedia productions. So behind me I have my class website, and I want to guide you through the various resources that you can get out of this class. So the first thing is that if you scroll down a little bit, you can see some videos that I made. The first one is an introduction to the students that I made about me. And the second one is a deeper dive into my class expectations. But basically, if I were to simplify it, it's show up to class, be in your uniform, have your camera on, and have your mic muted initially when in the class. And then in the video, I go into more about ready to learn and being the solution, and that's really how I frame my class expectations. Also, if you go all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll see my contact information, which I now realize is behind me. So we need to make that change. So okay, so there you go. You can see the contact information. Please email me anytime you have any concerns, because I check my email multiple times a day, and I'm generally pretty sharp about getting back to you within 24 hours. So let's talk a little bit more about the classes that I teach and the expectations specific to those classes. So let's take a look at multimedia productions. So we can go up here on the corner of my page. So in here in the multimedia productions page, I have posted some little guidelines about what this class is. Right now we're going to be using WeVideo, and I've linked that on my website. When and if we return to in-person instruction, we can also start using the MacBooks and Final Cut Pro for our video editing projects. Also on this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that I have season 2 of the Show It Show and season 1 of the Show It Show. And the Show It Show is basically the output of this class. And so right now we can't really work on it but as soon as we return in person, then that's when we'll get back to making Show It Show projects. And then of course you'll see season 3 showing up on this web page as well. I've also attached the calendar, which is connected to Google Classroom. So any assignments that I post in Google Classroom will show up on this calendar behind me. And that's really it. As long as students are interested in editing videos and making videos and turning their work in, then I don't see any reason why a student would not succeed in this class. And I'm really looking forward to working with them. And that's my class, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you for your time and attention. And again, don't forget that if you need to contact me, then my email is over here. And so you can simply contact me when you need me, and I will be happy to respond and talk to you. Otherwise, I am looking forward to a very interesting, challenging but interesting school year. I'm looking forward to it.